Bringing a peptide therapeutic to market is a race against time. Innovation is essential, but execution is everything. At JYMed, we don't just manufacture peptides, we de-risk your pipeline. We deliver the precision, consistency, and global regulatory compliance your molecules demand, getting you to the clinic and to the market faster. Complex sequence? No problem. Our automated solid phase platform gets the chemistry right the first time. We guarantee exceptional purity and strict batch-to-batch consistency, keeping your clinical timelines completely on track. And when your molecule succeeds, you never have to change partners. Why does our 30,000-liter reactor capacity matter to your bottom line? Because it means zero production bottlenecks. It means seamless scaling from grams to multi-ton commercial volumes. And most importantly, it delivers massive economies of scale that drive down your cost of goods. Difficult sequences shouldn't break your budget. Our hybrid strategies combine the precision of solid phase with the power of liquid phase. By maximizing yield and drastically reducing waste, we protect your ROI, even on the hardest to make peptides. With large-scale DAC chromatography and comprehensive analytical technologies backing every single stage, you get absolute regulatory peace of mind and full cGMP compliance. Flexible, scalable, reliable. From early discovery to commercial launch, we are built for your growth.